TikTok, you do this one. I repeat, TikTok, now you do this one. I did not just eat. I devoured the look. Guys, can you see? TikTok, how did you know that this is just me?
Boy, I've been watching you.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Pamela here, and if you are seeing this face, this beautiful face for the very first time, you are highly welcome to my channel. I always say stay subscribed, you have a good time. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always tuning in to watch me. Thank you for your efforts. I really appreciate. So apparently there is this trend going on TikTok where you go to TikTok search bar and type my makeup type, and TikTok will display the makeup look that they think that it suits your face. So this is what TikTok gave me. So be getting that done on my face immediately. I'll be using this Cosmetics moisturizer to moisturize my face. Next is primer. You can never do this makeup without primer. So, because the makeup look is matte look, so I'm using this very good mattifying primer on my T-zone areas. Okay. My foundation, I'll be using this shade in Avoir 20 and L'Oreal in C8, not brown. So I'm mixing the two of them together. Because of the look is a bronze look, so I'll be using this, my Avoir in the shade 35 to contour my face. You're going to go all in, heavy. TikTok, how did you know I love blush? Because this look is given let there be blush, and there was blush, so I'm going to do mine. I love blush. Gonna blend it out immediately. The remaining blush on my beauty blender, I'm going to use it to tap my nose. Can you see that warmness? For concealer, I'll be going with these two shades from LA Girl, Fawn and Toffee. I will apply the lighter shade at the inner corner, while I will apply the darker shade at the outer corner. And you can see from that look, that makeup, the eye was lifted. So I'm going to lift mine. Let's blend. For my under eyes, you can see the one that TikTok gave us was popping. So I'll be mixing these two powders. This is normal white powder and satchel butter powder together to set my under eye. I'll be going over my entire face with the powder that is my shade. For my powder contour, from the same palette. Next up is baking, and for baking I'm still using the same powder I used to set my face. It's time for brows, and the look that TikTok gave me, the brows is just normal, not thin, not fat, just normal size. So I'll be outlining my brows using black pencil. I'll be filling in with my brown pencil, just making light strokes. Be concealing my eyebrows using this LA Girl that I use for my under eye in shade Toffee. For eyeshadow, the look was just having a natural look, so I'm going to use my powder palette to create that. I'm going to brush out my lashes with my mascara. I'm going to go ahead now to line my waterline. I'm going to go ahead now to fix my lashes off camera. For the lips, they did like plump lip, that is, they overline their lips using a brown pencil. So I'm going to be using this wood pencil to outline my own lips. So for lip, I'm going to do this nude shade, little.
I'm going to go ahead
now to gloss my lips. I'm going to go over the entire face again to dust off excess powder and to push in powders.
To bring back warmth to my face, I'm using this blush palette from Become Ageless. I'll be mixing 2 colors.
For highlights, I'll be using another palette from Become Ageless. I'll be setting the entire face using my Seal It spray from Ezekiel. Guys, the weather is so bad and it wants to rain. I had to put up my lights to do this look for you guys. Setting spray has a way of bringing out the highlighter. Can you see the glow? TikTok, you do this one. I repeat, TikTok, now you do this one. I did not just eat, I devoured the look. Guys, can you see? This is your sign to run to TikTok and search your makeup type. TikTok, how did you know that this is just me? Guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.